Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, unveiling the 7 biggest rumored upgrades. Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the realm of rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. With whispers of groundbreaking upgrades, this flagship is poised to redefine the smartphone experience. Design. Leaks suggest that Samsung might embrace titanium edges for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, mirroring Apple's move. Titanium not only brings robustness, but also contributes to a lighter design, weighing in at 8.21 ounces. Expect vibrant color options including black, titanium gray, violet, and yellow, with possible exclusive online colors like orange, light blue, and light green. AI features. Samsung is set to revolutionize AI with generative features on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. AI Translate Call allows real-time translations during calls, while Samsung GOS enhances emails, documents, and image quality. Despite rumors of potential paid AI features, the leap forward in AI capabilities could set this flagship apart. Display. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is anticipated to retain its 6.8-inch OLED screen, but substantial improvements are expected. Leaks suggest a peak brightness of 2,500 nits, a significant jump from its predecessor's 1,750 nits. Additionally, the refresh rate may increase from 120 Hz to 144 Hz, enhancing the visual experience for gamers. Cameras. Camera rumors abound, hinting at a larger and brighter sensor for the main 200MP camera. Zoom capabilities could see a shift to a 10MP 3x telephoto and a sharper 50MP 5x zoom lens, focusing on enhanced resolution and pixel binning for optimal quality. Samsung's strategic camera upgrades align with industry trends. Video. Samsung's Zoom Anyplace camera tech, utilizing a 200MP sensor and AI, promises improved zooming capabilities. With AI keeping subjects in frame without user input, the Galaxy S24 Ultra aims to redefine video recording with simultaneous 4K shots in zoomed and full-frame perspectives. Performance. Powering the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, offering a substantial performance boost. With an overclocked version potentially pushing CPU performance by 30%, a 25% GPU improvement, and up to 16 GB of RAM, this flagship caters to both speed enthusiasts and avid gamers. Battery and charging. Rumors circulate about stacked battery technology and improved cooling, maximizing power efficiency. Charging speed might leap from 45 GU to 65 GU, aligning the Galaxy S24 Ultra with cutting-edge capabilities and outpacing competitors like the iPhone 15 Pro. As we eagerly await the official unveiling, the Galaxy S24 Ultra teases a potential revolution in smartphone technology. The blend of AI prowess, camera innovations, display enhancements, and powerful performance makes this flagship a formidable contender. Share your thoughts on these rumored upgrades in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.